So why don't you guys talk to me a little bit about some of the projects that you've been working on, some of the experiences that you've had, things maybe that you liked or didn't like, but like start with some projects. Tell me what you've been up to.
So I've mainly been focusing on basically is like little reinforcement pins for I think it's a knee prosthetic. I've basically been working on that project start to finish. Basically it's in development. It's been a lot of working on like gauge R&R, like proving out the process, making sure that we can get everything accurate and that it's all working properly. Mm-hmm. It's been interesting. It's nice. I definitely haven't been able to work on maybe like as much projects as the other two, but I really enjoyed being able to see something start to finish. And it's also still ongoing because there's a lot of back and forth with the customer. I actually got to meet one of them. I think he came up from Austin in the customer visit, and I was able to kind of walk him through our process and everything, which was nice.
It's nice getting that exposure to our clients, right? And being able to meet face to face and have those conversations. It really goes a long way into being able to cultivate the relationship, but also to be able to successfully execute what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've also been working with Cameron on the DJ Opens, and it was really just a great experience because we got to see the whole product realization phase all the way from starting and creating the inspection formulas and going all the way up to FAIs and final inspection, which is the step right before we ship to customer. So that was a really cool experience. And also to add to the customer relations, I got to sit in on a DFM, which is pretty unique at Triangle. And for me, it was just very cool because I got to see how the Triangle engineers talk to, in this case, it was Medtronic, and really work together to create a product that would be, easy to manufacture.
Yeah, design for manufacturability, design for inspection. I mean, those are the sort of things that we bring to the table as an organization in advance of actually making the products that really become a differentiator and something that we can help our customers with, because you get a lot of design engineers who are great in front of a computer screen and can create just about anything in CAD. But then when it comes time to actually having to make that, sometimes do you really need the tolerance that tight, or do you really need the geometry to be that way? It's some of the things that I've talked about previously with some of the other co-ops that we've done on the podcast, that it really is one of the things that makes Triangle special and how we can actually save cost for our customers. So it's a pretty cool thing that we're doing. How about you, Maddie?
I've actually been able to work on a bunch of different projects, do some cool things with the foot attachments and the patella trials and things like that. So I feel like I've been able to do a bunch of different projects with some big customers. But one of the main things I've got to do was actually work with CMM fixtures and actually improving them for the ones I've been working for are for Medtronic. And I actually got to design a whole new fixture myself. So I've been working on that a lot, actually. It was really cool to kind of see my fixture go from like the initial idea to the final design. And I've been working on that and constantly talking with the operators and the engineering team and being able to kind of improve and keep working on that design. And then I got to 3D print it recently, which was awesome. I never really did that before. And so it's been kind of cool to be able to kind of bring a design. I mean, we do CAD in college, but now I can actually like design something and have it in my hands real time, and then now it's actually being implemented at that operation, which is cool. That's really cool.
Yeah, I mean, taking something from an idea in your head, putting it, trying to think it through, process it, get it into CAD, design it, print it, and actually see it go into production. And do that. I mean, that's you did it all start to finish.
Yeah, it's been one of my favorite things that I've been able to do. So.
Wow, that's great. Yeah. That's really great. And I'm sure that the inspectors are all very very happy, and that you've helped them and made their jobs easier. So that's another added reward, right?
Hopefully, yeah.